Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2018 Mitsubishi Triton, stock number 6521. It's ran from the 3rd 2015 to the 10th 2018. It's a 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. The front door mirror, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,